Namaskaram. Hi students. Today through this class we are entering into the next chapter, next head of income. It is the income from house property. Sections 22 to 25 deal with the provisions regarding computation of income from house property. Rental incomes are taxable under the head income from house property, and it is taxable on due basis. At the beginning of each head, there is a section which describes which incomes are taxable under this head. And section 22 is the basis of charge of income for house property. And as per section 22, income for house property means the annual value. We shall discuss the meaning of annual value in the next class. The annual value of property consisting of building and land appurtenant thereto. Property in Malayalam Purayidam. എന്താ പുരയിടം? പുര ബിൽഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ലാൻഡ് appurtenant thereto. പുര ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഇടം. പുരയും പുര ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഇടവും. Therefore, the property means building and land appurtenant thereto, of which assessee is the owner, is taxable as income for property. Meaning, only the owner is liable to pay tax under the head of income for property. And property, Purayidam. It consists of building or land appurtenant thereto. Means property is equal to building Pura plus Purayidam, land appurtenant thereto. What is building? The term building is a wide term. It includes all construction works, residential house, non-residential house, warehouses, building let out for residential purpose or non-residential purpose, dance halls, cinema halls, auditorium, music halls, lecture halls, all and all are covered under the term building. All construction works are covered under the term building. But temporary hutments, താൽക്കാലിക കുടിലുകൾ, tents, കൂടാരങ്ങൾ, vacant lands are not covered under the term building. These are not considered as building. And there are some more items which are not included under the term building as per income tax act. First, staff quarters let to employee. If a business concern let its building to its employees for their residence, that buildings are not covered under the term building, therefore not taxable under the head of income for property, provided such letting is necessary for the smooth running of the business. If the letting of building to its employees is essential for the smooth running of the business, the rental income from such buildings are not covered under the head income for property, but it is taxable as income from business or profession. Staff quarters are not covered under the term building. If the building or property of a business concerned letting to authorities to locate bank, post office, fire station, police station, etc., government offices, etc., that buildings or properties are not covered under the term building, provided such letting is necessary for the smooth running of the business. For the efficient running of the business concerned letting their building to locate post office, bank, fire station, etc. Such buildings are not covered under the term building and not included under the head income for house property. Third, composite letting. What is composite letting? The letting of building with any other asset. An auditorium is let with its furniture. A building of plant, building of a company is let along with its plant and machinery. They are compositing. And if we cannot separate the rent of compost letting into rent of building and rent of other assets, the income from composite letting is not taxable under the head income from house property, but it is taxable as income from other sources. Composite letting is the letting of property with any other asset. And if the rent derived from composite letting is not separatable into rent of building and rent of other assets, the total rent is taxable as income from other sources. On the other hand, if the rent from composite letting can be separatable into rent of building and rent of other assets, in this case, the rent of building is taxable as income from house property and rent of other asset is taxable as income from other sources. Here we state the composite letting under the condition that the rent cannot be separatable into rent of building and rent of other asset. Then the total rent is taxable as income from other sources and not under income from house property. Paying guest accommodation. We know what is paying guest. Income derived from paying guest is a business income, not a income from house property. Accommodation given by club to its members. The building of a club given to its members for their accommodation on daily rent or monthly rent, it is not covered under the term building. It is a business income, not the income from house property. These are the various properties, various buildings which are not covered under the term building for income from house property, and income derived from these exceptional cases are not taxable as income from house property. Okay. Property is equal to building plus land appurtenant thereto. What is land appurtenant thereto? The land located, attached or annexed immediate vicinity to the building. Land located immediate vicinity to the building. Land attached to the building means playing ground, parking area, approach road, etc. And the base charge states that the annual value of property consisting of any building or land appurtenant thereto, of which assessee is the owner, is taxable as income from property. If a person has to pay tax under the head income from house property, he must be owner of the house. It means only the legal owner of the property is liable to pay tax. If a person is not the owner, he is not liable to pay tax under this head. Only legal owner is liable to pay tax under this head. Who is a legal owner? Legal owner is the person on whose name the property is legally registered. And ownership may be legal ownership or beneficial ownership. Who is a beneficial owner? Beneficial owner is a person who is entitled to receive income from property. For example, Mr. A is the owner of a property. A transfers the right to receive the income from a property for next 5 years to his son B. Here B is the beneficial owner. Mr. A owns the property, A is the legal owner, and Mr. A transferred the right to receive the income to his son B for next 5 years. Now B is the person who received income from property. B is the beneficial owner. And here the legal owner A is liable to pay tax and not the beneficial owner. Legal owner is assessed to income from house property even though he is not received any income therefrom. Therefore, we can say that if the assessee is not the owner of the property, he is not liable to pay tax under the head of income from house property. And therefore, the income from subletting. What is subletting? The tenant let the property to another person. In the case of subletting, the tenant is not the owner. Therefore, the rented income from subletting is not taxable under this head, but it is taxable under the income from other sources. Let us conclude this session. Through this class, we discussed about the basis of charge of income for house property. If you asked the question, what is income for house property? The basis of charge is the answer. The annual value of property consisting of building and land appurtenant thereto, to which assessee is the owner is taxable as income from house property. And this rental income is taxable under this head on due basis, not receipt basis. And in this class, we discussed about property, building, land apart thereto, which are the buildings not covered under the term building, and ownership. We shall discuss the term annual value in the next class. There are some more points under this section. This section 22 further states that if the property of a assessee is occupied by him, utilized by him for his business or profession, for carrying his business or profession, it is not covered under the head of income from house property. Next one, if a person held any property as stock in trade, what is stock in trade? Any asset held by person for resale or recycle purpose, it is stock in trade. If a person held any property as stock in trade and derived income therefrom, rent therefrom, such rental income is taxable under this head. And if a person's main business is letting of property for rent, such rental income is also taxable under this head. These are the various points covered under the basis of charge. We shall discuss the annual value and the computation of income for property in the next class. So thank you. Bye.